Following the numerous attacks on our humanitarian mission to Gaza, we have gathered credible intelligence that Israel is likely to direct escalated violent attacks on the flotilla within the next 48 hours. And several governments have now reached out to citizens on board the global Smooth flotilla, warning them about an imminent Israeli attack, one that could be bigger and potentially deadlier than anything we've seen so far against our peaceful humanitarian mission, completely abiding by international law. Israel has, by desperately fabricated smear campaigns claiming we are terrorists, been laying the groundwork for attacks against us, using the same genocidal propaganda it deploys daily against Palestinians. And there is no doubt that attacks so far have been part of tactics to intimidate us and further dehumanize Palestinians, adding to the long list of war crimes committed against civilians in the Palestinian cause. Because they are scared of the power of the people, and they know that the world does not stand with war criminals. But we continue undeterred. And the closer we are to Gaza, the bigger grows the risk of escalation towards us. And this is not about the flotilla, it is about Gaza, where over 2 million people remain trapped and systematically starved under an illegal siege, and where bombs and attacks are part of their everyday life. We call on governments everywhere to fulfill their legal obligation and end their complicity in genocide, ensure safe passage for more than 500 participants from 45 countries. And we call on people all over the world to raise their voices for Palestine, for Gaza, for humanity.